What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to try to get some welding done. I had a Varex muffler that I had ordered actually a little while ago now, and I haven't put it on the car yet. I currently have a Tanabe medallion, I think it's what's on there right now. The Varex will just allow me to, open up the valve and pretty much run straight pipe when I need to. And that was kind of contradicted to the issue I'm having with overboosting right now, but I also have some more parts on the way from Stainless Bros to recirc my dump tube back into my downpipe. So when those parts get in, I'll get that project done too. But I'll show you the parts I have right now. So let me flip this camera around so y'all can see. All right, so this is what I have. That's the Varex muffler there. You can see the motor for the flange, or for the valve there on top. And then here's all of the parts I do have from Stainless Bros already. I had already ordered a while ago. There's a 3-inch straight pipe there. I already used some of that for something else. And then I have a bunch of V-bands and stuff in here that I'm gonna end up using some pie cuts right here if I need to. Because what's on the car right now, I mean, it's a 2-bolt. I think I showed that in the video yesterday. I'm just gonna convert that to a V-band. I feel like the V-band's easier in my opinion. So, but first, before I even start working on that, I gotta clean up my benches at least. The rest of the shop's still a mess, but because I just got stuff everywhere right now. So I'll just do a time lapse of cleaning some of this stuff up real quick. There's the one I would work off of when I'm pretty much roaming around the shop. And then my welding bench, I just junked everything up. Uncle Jerry would be very disappointed in me right now. So I'll just do some time lapse of cleaning some of this stuff up, and then we'll hop on over to the Evo and start pulling that stuff off the car and welding it up. Alright y'all, let me show you what I got here. This is the Varex muffler that I had ordered a while ago, like I said. If you don't know what this is, I mean, this is just a little motor on top that opens and closes a valve in there. I don't know if you can see there. See that valve down in there? So that motor on top, I have a button that goes to that harness there, and it'll open and close it. And when it's closed, it'll run through the muffler there. You can see the hole. And then when I open it, it'll be pretty much just like a straight pipe for the most part. But I want to add this to the car in place of the muffler I have on there right now is a Tanabe medallion, I do believe. But I'm trying to figure out right now if I want to cut this flange off and just use the V-band that I have, because I have V-bands over here, or if I want to take this pipe here and then make that up and then cut here and just weld my V-band on there, which kind of defeats the purpose of having the V-band at that point. But I don't know, they just did a really good job of welding this up, so I don't know if you can see the nice pretty welds in there. Kind of don't want to jack it up, so I'll decide that later, but I'll show you what else it came with. It has this little module there with the remotes, and then it came with the harness. Looks like it can be plugged in via an outlet, probably just 12-volt source though, so I'll probably find somewhere else to plug it in. But you see one side goes to the module, and then that goes to the harness on the valve there, so on the muffler. So pretty straightforward. I'll figure that all out after I get it installed. And then all the other stuff I have over here, it's all stuff from Stainless Bros. By the way, they always hook me up. So there's a V-band clamp, another V-band clamp, and these two are the male side. Female side, I have an O2 bung, which I probably won't even need to use that. There's a flex pipe I have. Currently, surprisingly, and I don't have any cracks yet, but I don't have any flex pipe on my my downpipe as of right now. So I'll probably add that in there somewhere. I don't know where yet. Cut out a little section. I got some leftover pie cuts here for 3-inch. And I have more here that I haven't even opened. Those also look like 3-inch. And then it's a 90. Yeah, it's a 90 mandrel bend there. 3-inch. This is 1.5 inch radius. 2.5 inch. So, and then this is a TL 38mm wastegate outlet flange, because I do got to weld up another dump tube because I'm going to recirc my dump tube into my exhaust now. That's why I have an 1.5 inch piping here, along with a 3-inch piping, if I need to add in to it. So that's all the stuff I have right now. I do have more stuff on the way. It's supposed to be here tomorrow, actually. And I had a 90.5 inch as well, so put that stuff together. And also, just today from Summit Racing, I was going to open it with you guys, but I kind of already tore into it. I didn't get past this point though, but Summit hooked me up. Of course, you get the sticker, and it's just a little vibrant flex bellow. Let me get something to open this up with real quick. Because I got to have a little bit of flex on there when I'm putting that new dump tube together. That way I don't crack anything trying to take it apart when I am disconnecting it from the wastegate. Basically, that'll just slide on there, and I'll weld her up. It'll just take some finagling and some fitting up to find out where exactly I'm gonna put that, but it should be fun. Like I said, the rest of the stuff should be here tomorrow, so I'll show you guys what all that's gonna be. But for now, I think I'm gonna try to work on that exhaust. I'm gonna get the Evo up in the air and pull that old one off and see what I'm working with here. All right, I wanted you guys to see this. This is what the current exhaust setup looks like. You see a 2-bolt flange there, little resonator, then another 2-bolt flange there. And then my downpipe is super long. It's like the long style downpipe. That's the whole entire thing, all the way up until it connects to the O2 housing pretty much. But I think what I'm gonna do, I'm actually not gonna put a V-band flange on that Varex muffler like right here. I'll probably just cut here, put that V-band flange here, if it'll fit. I might have to move it left or right or something, because it looks like it might hit that right there. But I gotta be careful where I put it. The axle's there, so I don't know, maybe over here. I gotta figure that part out. And who knows, maybe I'll even move it up a little further. I got some more pipes, so. Or actually I gotta order 3-inch. I just noticed that, wasn't paying attention, but the pipe I have over there is 2.5-inch for when I was doing the intercooler piping. But anyways, with the new muffler, the Varex, I think for this one, I'm gonna cut right here, chop that off, make sure it's nice and square, and then I'm gonna cut that 2-bolt flange off of the Varex over there and just weld it straight to this one. Then I don't really have too much fabbing to do because everything's already done for me except for through here. And I mean, this could be super simple. I can just cut here. If I needed to weld in a 3-inch piece right here, and then put that V-band here or wherever I need to move it. It's not really a big deal. It should be pretty easy, but I'm not gonna be able to get to it today, like I said, because I got to order some 3-inch. I thought I had some. I guess I don't. So stay tuned.